get thrown off, yes or no?
Yes.
In the comments. I'll throw you off in the next video if there is more likes than dislikes and subscribers. Once we are gonna be going outside. Wait, I'm gonna cut the video. This is my outside look. Boys, look. This is my plant. And this is my dog. Also this guy. This. And that is still my cousin there.